Okay. You see, whatever we see now will be helpful for vegetation. After that, I'll tell you soils and then agriculture. Okay, 3. First, you see here, Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep, west coast of India, northeast India. Okay, Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep, west coast, northeast. These 4 are called as wet climate. Wet climate means temperature is more than 200 centimeter, right? More than 200 centimeter. And in this region, you will have evergreen forest, tropical evergreen forest. Now question, in which of the following areas tropical evergreen forest is not there? Andaman and Nicobar, Western Ghats, Western Himalayas, Eastern Himalayas. Where you will not have Western Himalayas. Okay, so that is first, wet regions. Next, if I take Prayagraj like this, okay, whatever is on the eastern side, it is called as moist climate. You know that east to west rainfall reduces. Okay, so wet here, moist here. Moist region, moist deciduous forest, 100 to 200 centimeter. Which are all the states here? Can you see what all will come here? Eastern Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, East Coast. Okay, what are all there? Eastern Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, East Coast. What do you have? Moist deciduous forest. Okay, moist deciduous forest. Then guys, please see. Gujarat. Bundelkhand region. Parts of Andhra, Karnataka and Telangana. Okay, 3 parts. Which are the 3? Gujarat, Bundelkhand, parts of Andhra, Karnataka, Telangana. We call it as semi-arid region. Semi-arid region. Okay, now Rajasthan and Ladakh comes under arid region. Okay, can you try once? What are all the regions are we seeing? First, wet, 4 regions. What are the 4 regions of wet? Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep, west coast of India, northeast India. Which area do you consider for moist? Prayagraj. Eastern side of Prayagraj. What will come on the eastern side? Eastern Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha. Which coast? East coast. Now you tell me what all comes semi-arid 3 regions. Gujarat, Bundelkhand, parts of Andhra, Telangana, Karnataka. Arid is Rajasthan and Ladakh. Remaining India is called as which region? Dry region. Okay, dry region. Where is dry region? Dry region is in between Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Aravallis to Prayagraj. Okay, in this area you will have dry region. Now please see what all do you have? Evergreen forest. Where will you have evergreen forest? Wet regions. Where will you have moist deciduous forest? Moist regions. Dry deciduous forest. Dry regions. Arid and semi-arid. Deserts and grasslands. Are you getting the point? Deserts and grasslands. Coastal area, mangroves. All the coastal states, what will be there? Mangroves. Mountains, montane forest. Mountains, montane forest. We have 6 vegetation in India. What are the 6 vegetation you try? Evergreen, moist deciduous, dry deciduous, semi-arid and arid, mangroves, and then montane. Montane is on the basis of what? Mountains. Right? This is what we talk about rainfall and vegetation. Are you getting the point? Rainfall and vegetation. You make a table. Climate, rainfall areas. 3. Climate, rainfall areas. First one, wet, 200 to 250. Wet climate, rainfall is 200 to 250 centimeter. Areas, Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep, west coast of India, northeast India. Second, moist region. 100 to 200 centimeter. In brackets, eastern side of Prayagraj. Eastern side of Prayagraj and east coast. Hyphen. Eastern Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, east coast. Next point, dry, 75 to 100 centimeters. See, these numbers vary from book to book, topic to topic. Okay, dry. You write in brackets there. In between Aravallis to Prayagraj, comma Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Hyphen. Tamil Nadu, parts of Andhra, Karnataka, Telangana, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Eastern Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh. Next point, semi-arid and arid. Less than 50 centimeter. Gujarat, Western Rajasthan, Bundelkhand, Parts of Andhra, Karnataka, Telangana. Next. You write Ladakh and then Ladakh. Okay. Next you write vegetation. Vegetation. First one. Evergreen forest. Wet regions. And Terai region. Little bit Terai also has this. Terai region. Moist deciduous. Moist regions. Dry deciduous. Dry regions. Grasslands and deserts. Semi-arid and arid. Mangroves. Coastal states. Largest mangrove cover is West Bengal, followed by Gujarat, and area wise Sundarbans, Bhitarkanika. Montane forest, mountains, with height, species changes. And this area is good for which one? Coniferous forest. Guys, if you have evergreen, there is possibility of moist deciduous. Okay, if you have evergreen forest, in that region only you may have moist deciduous. But if you have moist deciduous, there is no guarantee that it will have evergreen. Okay, same way, closely you will always have other trees also, little bit. Near moist, dry will be there. Near dry, grasslands will be there. Near grasslands, deserts will be there. That approach will always be there. Don't get confused. We have read only this. For example, Andaman and Nicobar may have moist deciduous also. Okay, that is the point. Next, soils. Yes, all the Himalayan states. Which soil will be there? Mountain soil. Okay, all the Himalayan states will have mountain soil. Great Plains of India, East Coast and Gujarat. Great Plains of India, East Coast and Gujarat. Which soil will be there? Alluvial soil. Okay, so wherever rivers are flowing, you will have alluvial soil. But the alluvial soil in Ganga basin is divided into Bhabar, Terai, Bangar and Khadar. Right? So this is alluvial soil regions of India. Then if you take Vindhyas and Satpuras as a reference point, above Vindhyas and below Vindhyas you will have black soil. Okay, so which are above Vindhyas? Madhya Pradesh, Eastern Rajasthan, Gujarat. Which soil will be there? Black soil. Maharashtra, North Karnataka, Telangana. Which soil will be there? Black soil. See, first I would tell you write places names. At last you can take picture of that. Okay, map is fine. I want you to remember the states, right? Mountain soils, which states will come? All the Himalayan states. Great Plains, which soil will be there? Alluvial soil. East Coast, which soil will be there? Alluvial soil. Above Vindhyas and below Vindhyas, which soil will be there? Black soil. In the remaining part, red and yellow soil. Okay, remaining points you will have red and yellow soil. Can you tell the states where red and yellow soil are there? Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Jharkhand. Which soil? Red and yellow. Now, yes, west coast of India. What will you have? Laterite soil. Chota Nagpur Plateau, Meghalaya Plateau. You will have laterite soil. 3 parts of India has laterite soil. Which are the 3 parts? West coast, Chota Nagpur Plateau and Meghalaya Plateau. Rajasthan region, which soil? Arid soil. Okay, Rajasthan region, arid soil. Try once. Himalayas, which one? Mountain soils. Great Plains, East Coast, alluvial. West Coast, laterite. Above Vindhyas, below Vindhyas, black soil. Western side of Rajasthan, arid soil. Remaining parts of India, that is Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra, Telangana, Choda Nagpur plateau. What do you have? Red and yellow. Guys, wherever red and yellow is there, laterite is there, arid is there, iron ore is there. Okay, laterite, red and yellow, and arid. Which one? Iron ore. That is the reason they are red in color. Red and yellow is because of chemical weathering. Okay, so I'll give some facts that you need to remember. But area wise, do you understand where is what? Yes. If possible, take pick, or if you remember, it's fine. Fine. Shall I move? Yes, I'll give some points. Soil is divided on the basis of texture into three: sand, silt, and clay. All these three words are associated with texture. If sand is more, we call sandy soil. Pore size is more, that means gaps are more. Example for this is arid soil. Water holding capacity is less. Okay, silt is more, loamy soil, example is red and yellow soil. We don't know how it holds because varies from region to region. Clayey soil, pore size is less. Laterite soil in India, black soil. These two come under clayey soil. Water holding capacity is more. Okay, so you have two: sand, silt, clay. Then shall I? pH value of the soil is always neutral, but wherever we add more humus content or more fertilizers, less humus. More humus content, it would become alkaline. less humus content, it would become acidic. Why will you have more alkaline? It can be due to more fertilizers. Now, in India, color, conquer, usar. These four are alkaline soils. Punjab, Haryana region, mainly because of excessive use of fertilizers. Whenever soil becomes alkaline, what should you do? Gypsum must be added. Remember, when you add gypsum, salinity reduces. Right? Acidic. Acidic is because of leaching. Laterite soils. Second, snow covered mountain soil. Himalayas, when you have snow, if snow is there, normally humus is not formed because temperature is less. That leads to acidic soils. Okay, it is based on pH. Fine. Next, terms. Alluvial. Yes, it is largest in area. It is divided into two. In Great Plains area, coastal area. In coastal area, it is deltaic, which is mostly clay. In Great Plains area, it is divided into bhabbar. Bhabbar is made up of boulders, and in this region, small streams disappear. Have you heard? Boulders, small streams, they disappear. Terai, fine grain, streams reappear. It is good for agriculture. Evergreen forest may be present. It is fertile as well. Then Bangar, old alluvial soil, present above floodplain. Khadar. New alluvial soil. Present within floodplain. This is fertile as of today. Fertile. Fine. Next. Black soil. Made from basalt. It is clayey soil. It is also called as cotton soil. It is called as regur soil. Nalla regullu they call regur soil. It is also called as self-flowing soil because cracks are present. It becomes sticky when water is added. It is very difficult to till. Which one? Black soil. It is good for cotton cultivation. Water holding capacity is more. Second largest in India, along with red and yellow. Third, red and yellow soil. It is because of ferrous minerals. It is loamy soil, good for agriculture. All soils are good for agriculture. This is also second largest. Chale? This here, this is very important. Laterite soil. Please understand, laterite is present in high temperature, high rainfall. Okay, so options they will give, it is present in low rainfall areas. Okay, laterite always require what? Latter basically means brick, and it is clayey. is actually last stage of weathering. That is, it is made up of fine grain. High temperature and high rainfall. Because of this, soil moisture is more. They'll give soil moisture is less. Leaching is more. As leaching is more, it becomes acidic. Arid soil. Sandy soil. High temperature and low rainfall. Soil moisture is less. This is important. Next, mountain soil. Slope and rock determines the soil. Slope is more, less soil. Hard rock, less soil. Soft rock, more soil. Okay. Next. This is important. Mark as important. Fertilizers. Macronutrients. NPK. This nitrogen is provided externally to all soils. Okay, to all the soils, nitrogen is provided externally. Yes, there are no phosphorus rocks much. So, phosphorus is less in all soils. So, any soil, if they use the term phosphorus is very high, it's wrong. Okay, phosphorus is not high in any soil in India. Potassium, almost all soils have potassium. If they say potassium is absent in any soil, it's wrong. Are you getting the point? It's very simple. Phosphorus, if they use the term, like is less in the soil, yes. Potassium is more in the soil, yes. Potassium is absent, they use the word absent, wrong. Phosphorus is very high, wrong. You should be very clear about these. Don't by heart all. This is enough. Next, guys. Agriculture. You'll get two questions. One is for cropping seasons. First season, Kharif season. Kharif season is also known as what? Monsoon season. High temperature. High rainfall. Just a minute. You will have high temperature. In some areas, you will have high rainfall. In some parts, you will have low rainfall. High rainfall areas are wet and moist, right? Wet and moist. What all can be grown in wet and moist? Rice, sugarcane, coffee, cocoa, cashew, coconut, rubber, banana, dry, semi-arid and arid. Millets will be there. What are millets? Ragi, jowar, bajra. Guys, food, fiber, fuel, oil seeds, groundnuts, feed, means Then Kharif. Yes. Rabi Visa. Winter. Oats mustard. Zaid is summer crop. Fruits. Yes. Next is crops. Rice. Rice is called monsoon crop. It requires high temperature and high rainfall. It is also called water intensive crop. In West Bengal, this is called Os, Aman and Baro. If they use these three words, it is West Bengal. Os, Aman and Baro. Three rice growing seasons. East Godavari. And Chhattisgarh are important. Chhattisgarh has 17,000 varieties of rice. East Godavari, 95% area is used for rice cultivation. So, these areas are called as rice bowl of India. Right? Wheat, winter crop. Northwestern India. Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Northern Rajasthan, parts of Madhya Pradesh and Bihar. North India grows wheat. Millets. Ragi, jowar, bajra. Try to remember like this. From south, Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Karnataka. Ragi. Okay. North Karnataka, Telangana, Maharashtra. Jowar. above Maharashtra, that is above Vindhyas. Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Bajra. Ragi, Jowar, Bajra. What are the three here? What you will get? Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Southern Karnataka. North Karnataka, Telangana, Maharashtra. Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Gujarat. Ragi, Jowar, Bajra. Okay, next. Cotton, Kharif crop, high temperature and low rainfall. This word is very important. 210 frost free days. The moment this word comes, it is cotton. Yes. Black is good, but grown in all other soils. So if I take black, Maharashtra, North Karnataka, Telangana, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat. Please remember Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Haryana, parts of Uttar Pradesh also, cotton is grown. Tamil Nadu, you might have heard Coimbatore region, right? Manchester of South India. Coimbatore has lot of cotton. Next, shall I? Jute. High temperature, high rainfall, deltaic alluvial soil. Jute is mostly present in lower Ganga region, West Bengal, Bihar, Assam. The moment jute comes, West Bengal comes. Okay. Silk, guys. If silkworms consume mulberry leaves and produce silk, it is called mulberry silk. If it consumes non-mulberry leaves, it is called Vanya silk. Types of Vanya are Eri, Muga, Tasar, Tropical Tasar. Only India has All varieties. Okay. All varieties of silk are there only in India. Karnataka is largest. Important. Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, little bit they are trying. Apart from this, Northeast India has silk. Done. Next. Sugarcane. It is 8 to 12 months crop, guys. And it is a tropical crop. As it requires 8 to 12 months water, it is very high water intensive crop. It is mostly dependent on irrigation. So, Sutlej region, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Ganga region, Uttar Pradesh. You might have heard UP is the largest one among all. Maharashtra uses underground water. In Odisha, they use Mahanadi river. We call Mahanadi basin, grow sugarcane. Andhra and Telangana, Krishna Godavari basin. Karnataka, Kaveri and Krishna basin. Tamil Nadu, Kaveri basin. Anywhere you see rivers, sugarcane can be cultivated. Okay. So without that, sugarcane won't come. Fine. Coffee. High temperature and high rainfall. Remember the word. Shade loving crop. Coffee requires shade. High temperature, but shade is important. South India is Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. All 4 states has coffee growing areas. Araku Valley, Kumbakonam region, Coorg region, right? They all have what? Coffee. Last. 9th one, tea. Low temperature and drizzling rainfall. In North India, Darjeeling and Assam has tea. Because of duars. Duars are alluvial deposits. This helps in tea cultivation. Drizzling rainfall means there must be cyclonic type of rainfall throughout. Continuous drizzling rainfall is required, not heavy rainfall. High rainfall means normally people think like cumulonimbus clouds giving. It should be something like stratus giving rainfall. If rainfall is more, tea leaves will break. Guys, in South India, wherever mountains are there, again, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, you will have tea cultivation. Okay. So South India, guys, almost everything is there wherever, what do you call, Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats meet. Right? So this is Indian agriculture. Okay, from geography point of view. So guys, we have, I did climatology, Indian climate, vegetation, soils, and then agriculture. So we'll see geomorphology. Geomorphology prelims questions are less. Oceanography, ocean currents, I told you, will have one. Remaining is less. So geomorphology, oceanography, I'll do tomorrow. I'll tell you what all areas. I'll give a glance of everything, but questions will be less. Again, when it comes to Indian physiography and drainage system, questions will be more. Okay. So tomorrow we'll see geomorphology and oceanography. Right.